Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, most attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women ring designs, different color designs ideas in front of you. So, dear friends, most attractive and most amazing collection, different style, different ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful and always trendy. So, I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. If you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet finger rings and other jewelry like crochet necklace designs, earring designs, bracelet designs and feet jewelry, crochet anklet designs, baby anklet designs and many more like crochet baby frock designs, baby outfit ideas, baby starter dresses, baby scarf, baby poncho designs, baby caplet designs, baby shoes, baby cap, woman cap, man cap, long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, women long dresses, women skirts, women skirted dresses, women circular jacket designs, and many more things. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with a new collection.